Kum shibenta kajing penkre ya kasing lai luit kari katanat penroi sor menin kasingi kala penlong ya kajing etem ya put Khyndailad Kaba inong ruai hapo ka Meghalaya grassroots music project kilawan banruai. Hakani ka program menteri rangba konrad ke sangma ulalong ukongsan kat ba menteri katanat jengok kai perthei ba pol lingdo ulalong kum usembut kongsan. Ki he sarkar na katanat urban affairs ka municipality bat ki weipat kilayadon lang. Hakani ka jingelang ka sarkar kala penbena ban penkala ya ka Khyndailad kum ka Jaka ban ruai bat siau bat kin penkala ya ki lenti ya kejat ban penbha ya ki signboard ki ban pen itu bat ki wei de. Ka Shillong ka palatip kum ka rock music jong ka India kala rakhi ya ka ni kasngi lengba ki jingruai hakaba ki patba kilawan ban sakhilang banwan sngap ya kita ki jingruai.
Moment that we are all in today. At the very outset, I would really like to thank our officials from the Urban Affairs Department, officials from the district administration, officials from the municipal board, and all those individuals who were involved in making this particular dream, I should say, come true. I especially would like to put on record a sincere appreciation to Dr. Vijay Kumar, who has led this entire process and worked on it from day one. Our director, Mr. Boro, who has been right at the front of ensuring that we are able to move forward in this process. And all the other officials, our DC, our ADMs, different officials of the municipal board, and our residents of this particular locality and area, and also the street vendors. This would not have been possible without all the cooperation we got from each and every one of you. So I think everybody here deserves a round of applause. I really would like to take this opportunity to congratulate and to thank everybody for making this happen. I take this opportunity in advance to wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day. Kublai Shibun, Mathela, and Jai Hind.